I think that the future of this team is Neji, Firas, okay, Neji Jaziri, I don't know the name.
Firas Lahiani.
Firas is great potential. Normally, Saif, Ahmed, Trimish and Zied, they must stay, but also I think that Marwan from Kerouan, I know he belonged to Kerouan, he must stay in this team because he's very good playmaker and he can create many things. So two guys from junior team, one is Gadur and another is Emin, also they must stay in the team, and so that is combination of the very experienced player like Trimish, like Saif and Zied and Marwan with young players that I mentioned. So I didn't tell that Ahmed Ben Said also. Yes. I like him, he can be his future also of this team. Youssef, he belonged to Rades, and I think he will go back, so they cannot think about that, but maybe with some player like Emin from Rades or Hosni, also from Rades, unfortunately. One of them, if he come in Monastir instead of Youssef, Monastir can fight for sure for championship. I think that this year foreigners, Serbian guy, he was my player in Belgrade, I was his coach, I know him very well, and American, they are good, but Monastir can find better players, I think. So for next season, I don't know if it is necessary one guard, but for center I'm sure that maybe American guy, maybe I don't know who, but Monastir need one big guy, very big, 210 and more, but for the player like Josh, I don't think it's very necessary, because when you change, it's very difficult for coach, when you change big foreigner and you put short foreigner, you must change and another guy, so you always change two players, like I did last game, and you saw after first changes everything changed. So it is not good solution, because I think that Zied, Saif, Marwan, Neji, they are good enough to keep peripheric on good stage, and with that good foreigner, big guy, with Firas, Ahmed Trimish and Ahmed Ben Said, you are okay. So that is my opinion, but who knows who will be coach and how that coach will think about that. But my opinion is that manager has future and Monastir has future, and also that this ambience that supporters of Monastir make, that gym that Monastir has, and all atmosphere around basketball is very good for Monastir. And Monastir, very difficult can be champion in football. Unfortunately, I know people love football here, but in basketball it's very possible.